Anyone who has ever applied for a mortgage knows the process takes many weeks. From beginning to end, borrowing money for the purchase of what is an appreciating asset seems to take forever. Appreciating does not equate to quicker or easier. And oh my, the fees. Origination fee, application fee, underwriting fee, processing fee, administrative fee, appraisal fee, title insurance, inspection fee, legal fee, survey fee, etc. After the conclusion of all these investigations and background checks, it's go time. We have successfully negotiated the financial survival course required to secure the loan on favorable terms, proving our worth and merit along the way and that of the property we intend to purchase. Mercy, we finally get to sign the closing papers. Not so fast. There's still the unresolved issue of down payment. Time to write that check. Plus, if it doesn't add up to at least 20% of the home's value, we still get to pay what is not an insignificant amount of additional money for mortgage insurance, fees, and premium. This is also not an elective. This fee is added to our monthly payment to protect the lender from ourselves in the event of non-payment. Having funded this seemingly never-ending safari of fees and expenses, it would appear as though we were in the clear. Appearances, however, deceive. Anything which goes wrong with what is now our home is our responsibility. This is not what we do. What we in the business office do is make ourselves available where possible to our lenders' representatives when they visit. This ensures we are up to date on their latest offerings, where they are strongest in the market, and how their programs will serve our guests. Make ourselves available to our salespeople, providing coaching which does not interfere with that of the sales desk is just the beginning. Anyone truly effective at communicating the value of the intangible has something to offer to this party. Oftentimes, all it takes is a little concern for the welfare of our colleague to lend an ear and understand their point. Once engaged, we may find ourselves remarkably well equipped to provide some much needed counsel. After all, a well-prepared salesperson will provide us with more opportunities. We will make ourselves available to process a deal on a vehicle purchase from beginning to end, usually inside of 1 hour. It is amazing, frankly, that this is usually the expectation. To produce loan documents for someone with whom we've just met, sometimes with dodgy credit or credentials, sometimes from a state with whose guidelines we are unfamiliar, purchasing a depreciating asset, oftentimes outside of book value, particularly when compared to the mortgage industry's extreme time utilization. It is what it is, however. This, all while ensuring compliance with all applicable state and federal laws. And let's not forget to keep that paperwork clean. CITs and held offerings will place us in someone's crosshairs. We will make ourselves available to our guests. We will be prepared to share the necessary perspective with our guests as to why our products are best able to serve their needs. Knowing our products in detail will render service to this goal. Additionally, learning about our guests' exposure is a top priority. Possessing the necessary intelligence is critical. As far as the vehicle they are purchasing, keeping up with the evolution of technology is a must. That library of knowledge is awaiting our discovery in the service and parts departments. As to our guests' specific situation, they are awaiting our attention to their needs just as soon as time allows. And having done all these things, we will have ensured that our guests' financing needs are provided. This has occurred inside an hour, and for a very reasonable additional investment conveyed, we will have allayed their concerns. If we have been on message, they will be free to enjoy their ownership experience devoid of much of the usual drama which accompanies the ownership of nice, complicated things. This is what we do. Think about it. Good luck and good selling.